Hello and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos. Me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Monday 17th of December. Let's have a look at euro dollar, which interestingly has sort of dropped back to that old support around 13 big figure and seems to be still something that the market is interested in holding on to. 1265, also the late November low, which again came in to force on Friday. Rebound closed around that 13 big figure again, sort of hitting around 13 big figure this morning and then bouncing. So it is clearly a bit of a level that the market is watching, but ultimately it's not really able to get any traction to the upside every time it sort of goes above the 114 figure level on an intraday basis in recent weeks. That's been a failure and just turning over again. So the market is still pretty neutrally configured, but there is, I believe, a negative bias that just suggests that we're going to be gravitating towards the support again. You're trading under all the moving averages, and you've got the momentum indicators which are beginning to tick over, tick down again, stochastics especially there. And it's just not really all that great, I think, in terms of positive moves, considering the fact that every time you get a little bit of rebound, it does get sold into. So that is the concern at the moment, although it still is really struggling for direction in a decisive manner. But we're just sort of playing out a little bit of an intraday rebound today, again, 113.30, 113.40. I mean, you can argue this is sort of around about where you actually start to get a little bit of a near-term pivot area, sort of resistance coming in, 13.30, 13.40, 45, something like that. But ultimately, until you get a breakdown of this range, and that would be a close at least below 13 figure, if not below 12.65, you're not going to get too much direction. And similarly to the upside, it's struggling for direction above 114 figure. So until you get a decisive move in this market, it's a difficult one to really trade with any real time horizon. So with that in mind, wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later.